Welcome back, Crammers, to question 14. On the grid below, draw the graph of y is equal to 1 minus 3x for the values of x from -2 to 3. So first off, we can draw a table here to list all the values. So we have x and y, and we have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now, if we input the value of x into this equation, we will receive what y is. So y is equal to 1 minus 3 times, the first value is -2. And then we have 1, -3 times -2 is +6. So we get 7. Moving on, we have -3 times -1 gives us +3. So we get 4. Moving on, we have 0. 3 times 0 is just 0. So we get 1 plus 0, and that's 1. Now we have 1. -3 times 1 is -3. So we get 1 minus 3 is -2. And then moving on, we have 2. -3 times 2 is -6. 1 minus 6 is -5. And finally, we have -3 times 3 gives us -9, so 1 minus 9 is -8. And now that we have all these values, we can then plot them on the graph. So first off, on x-axis, we start at -2 and we go all the way up to 7, and we put a cross there. Next up, we have -1, which goes all the way up to 4. We put a cross there. At 0, we go up to 1. We put a cross there. And then at 1, we go to -2, so we put a cross there. And at 2, we go to -5, put a cross there. And at 3, we go to -8, and we put a cross there. And finally, using a ruler, we draw a straight line through all these crosses. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.